Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be working with the H4M PortaPak by Open Source SDR, and this was sent to us by Jeremiah of all trades. So make sure you go over to his channel, drop a like and subscribe, and check out some of his content because he makes great instructional videos on the PortaPak and other SDR gadgets. Alright, so today we're here to figure out how to get our own custom splash image on the background of our PortaPak. It's a super easy process. It takes about 2 minutes once you actually get your image. So let's dive over to the computer and check it out. Okay, so once you have your image downloaded, you want to head over to this website and then you want to upload your file. Once you've selected your file to upload, you want to convert the image. And then you want to download the BMP. Then you want to head over to simpleimageresizer.com. Then you want to select the BMP image that you just converted. And then you want to convert the size. So we got to click dimensions. And then we want to unselect keep aspect ratio. Now, according to Snorin's video, we need it to be 240 by 304. So input our 240, 304. Resize the image. Auto crop. And download. Once you have it downloaded, you want to rename the file. And we take out our SD card, insert our SD card in our computer. And then after that, you want to copy the file you just renamed. Head over to your SD card. Go down until you see splash. And then you want to paste the file in there. Now we eject our SD card. Now we're going to reinsert our SD card and turn on our device. Go down to Utilities, File Manager. Go all the way down to the next screen, click Splash, and then click on the file we just downloaded. Click Right, power off the device, and turn it back on. And that's all it is to it, guys. Thanks for stopping by, and remember, privacy is currency.